Hello. Wait, chat, y'all can see me, right, chat? Chat. Hello, guys. Yo, y'all can see me, right, chat? I'm recorded. Yeah. Anyway. Yo, say hello to my live stream. Yo, say hello to my live stream. Smiley face. I don't know. Am I live streaming or not?
Oh, let's go into the mall. Yeah, come in.
Anyways. Today, guys, we will be testing out Animal Company.
You'll never kill me.
And what the hell did I just pick up? Oh, hell no! Oh! What the hell? Yo! Chad? Yo, chill, leave me alone! He's mean! He's mad! What? Leave me alone, bro! Who are you and where the hell am I at?
You're in the Smiley place.
How did I get out?
You gotta die.
So kill me! Kill me, bro!
Only if you follow me. Actually, I'll kill you. Black boy.
Not dead.
Not we're staying here forever.
Yeah, well, I have 9 million, so it shouldn't work.
I know how to die. I know how to wait. I know how to wait.
What the hell? Guys, so basically...
Stop trying to die.
Kill me, bro!
No, come over here and know another way to die.
I really can't see, so like... No.
Yeah, for real. They used to have white dots. It was much easier with white dots.
It's me, Tompa.
It used to be easier with one dot.
Where the hell am I supposed to do now?
I'm talking about...
Okay. Oh!
Now you're gonna come up this wall.
How do I come up the wall?
I got you, bro.
How do we come up the wall?
Grab the galaxy. And now jump up. You gotta push hard.
I can't see.
And you give it back.
I can't see, basically.
Yeah, it's very hard to see. Cause they used to have.
Ah!
Alright, bro, just kill me. Vlog Talk Games robbed me of $5 million.
You're never coming back.
Yay!
Right?
Oh my God,
Really
I'm
powers.
back. Yeah, anyway, guys, so basically, I entered the smiley face, and I don't know how it went out, so I killed it.
Oh my god! Oh my god, you hack!
I suck at driving.
Where are you?
Oh,
Hello? Oh, no, chill! Hey, yo, chill! Yo, oh no! Bomb squad! They shouldn't have oil.